Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Today's reading is about today's topic is that how is your first date with your twin flame? And there are two files like ever. You are attracted to which pile you are attracted most. Please choose that one. I am going towards the pile number one. Okay, those who choose the pile number one, your first card is Knight of Pentacles. At your first date, you are slowly moving towards each other. You are just talking about here and there and not personal things about your friends or something else. Yes, and you want to spend more time with each other. I think that they will be much longer than other days for you. And maybe you are in some Chinese restaurant or yes, okay, or you are at some park and you are talking about little things, not about about your date or something. Okay, and you are very happy about that situation, about them, and talking to them, enjoying your time with them. Okay, you maybe some of you are going to dance in club and something like that, or maybe your heart is dancing with joy, with happiness that you are spending the time with them. You are interested in them and you love them and you want to spend time with them. Ten of Swords. This is upside down. That means that maybe at first they want this relationship as a fun, but now they are thinking something else for you. Now they are more loyal to you, more humble to you, when they know how are you, how do you speak, which kind of person you are. They are regretting the thought of defeating you, backstabbing you, deceiving you. Okay, with this Five of Wands, I think you are fighting about something, maybe just with talking about here and there about some TV channels or about something. You are going to fight with each other, or maybe you are fighting to your own self that why I am not proposing to her or him, why I am talking like this, why I am acting like this. And you are fighting with your own self, or you are fighting with someone else to come to them, to meet them. Maybe your friends are not happy with this situation. They are telling you that this person is not for you, they are not good for you, and you are fighting with them that I want to go there, I have made my mind. Or maybe you are you both have quarrel about something, a little fight. I think this is not a this is not a heavy fight. I think this is a little fight. And now your mind is going to you are going to prepare your mind for them. You are going to take some decision because of that date. Yeah, I think you are choosing them. You want them, you choosing them. You are deciding that you want to marry them. And then something happened. Maybe they restricted you, or someone had restricted you, that this person is not good for you, or somebody going to tell you what is good for you, what is not. Or maybe one of you are older than other. This could be the possibility that one of you is much older than the other. Okay, and it could also be the possibility that they are more wiser than you, or you are more wiser than them. Yes. Okay, with this Six of Cups, Okay, I you think that you have known them from your past life. If you are non-Muslim, then you surely get that they are from your past life, life before you born, or okay, you die first, and they are from your past life, and you both know each other. You both love each other at that life, in that life, and you are I think when you are trying to leave them, or you they are trying to leave them, their time is over and you want to go back to your home, you both are missing each other at that time, and maybe you are at the first time of at first date, you are at your friend's home, something like this. You are drinking tea, yes, or some kind of party. You are in some kind of party, and giving toys to others and something, or maybe they brought you the toy, the teddy bear. If you are the girl, then I think the boy will bring you the teddy bear. Okay, nine of cups. You think that you will think that your wishes are not going to be true. You I think that you think that this person is more wealthy than you, more rich than you, or more they are older than you, or something. You think that your wishes are not going to be true, um, because of some situations, because of something over here, and you still you want them, still you are begging for their love, for their attention, to talk to them. Okay, you are still thinking of that person because you are in love with them, and high priestess, at that moment I think that you are not so wise, not so um, uh, intelligent, because you are not thinking with your mind, you are thinking with your heart, and at this moment you are not wise person. You have very stress over this situation, you are very stress over this decision. May I go with them, may I love them, or marry them or not? You have a lot of stress, or maybe someone restricted you, don't marry with them, they are lot or older than you, or they are much richer than you, or they are not the person for you, they are not the good person for you, something like that, and you have a lot of burden on your shoulders at that moment. I think you are dropping one by one that burden, and you are preparing for something over here. Yes, there is the heartbreak in this situation. Maybe that person have someone else in their life, because I think if they are older than you, then definitely they have someone in their life, and you are also in love with them. Um, and at that moment when you know that they are with someone else in their life, they have someone else in their life, uh, your heart is going to broken, your heart is on fire now. You are crying over here, you are weeping about that situation. Now you want to leave that person, you want to leave that person, or somebody had broken that person's heart, and they had left them, so that person will come to you, or the burden for you is that this person has someone else in their life, and maybe they are going to leave you, or you are going to leave them, because you know that this person has someone. Now you are once again making the choice, making the decision over here. You are thinking, what shall I do now? What is good for me? May I leave him or her, or may I go with them? Now you had made this decision over here. Somebody or you are leaving this situation, you are ending this here and going to begin something new. And or maybe this person is going to left the past person and going to live with you, having the happy home with you. And you deserve love, you are lovable. Yes, you deserve love, you are lovable. Yes. Okay, they are coming towards you, definitely they are coming towards you, because you are the lovable and you deserve love. And you are a good person. That's why the universe these angels are working to for you both, to for your happiness. There are some kind of disaster or some difficult part in your way, but you are going to make it. Okay, then the other card, getting to know each other. Then you are going to know each other. Maybe at the first time, at the first day, they tell you that they have someone else in their life, or they had married someone else before, and now the other person had left them, and they are once again lonely in their life, and you had made your mind to marry them. Okay, get to know each other. As you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. Yes, you have to tell them when you think that they are good for you. Then you have to tell them that what desires do you have in your mind for them? What do you think for them? Think of them. Okay, tell them. If you love them, tell them. If you not, then also tell them that you don't want to keep this relationship, or whatever you have in your mind. Okay, very soon you have to decide it very soon. Clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. Okay, this is up to you. You have to clearly decide. Think about it. Maybe this person has someone else in their life and they are not leaving them, but I think that they are going to leave them. But whatever the situation, you know it's the best, what is the real situation over there. And you can think for your mind what you want. If you want to marry them, then tell them. Decide it soon. And if you're not, then whatever you want to do, tell them. Religious factors. Your love life is influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path. Yes, definitely with this card and some more cards, I think that maybe some of you have the religious difference in between both of you. Both of you are your religions are different. You are from some other religion and they are some from other religion, or maybe your upbringing is different from each other. You are more spiritual, or one of you are more spiritual and the other is none. Okay, and that's why this is the difference between both of you. That's why the situation is getting hard or getting tangled over here. Okay, now I think that healing family issues. Your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. Yes, maybe that person have to forgive their parents, or you have to forgive your parents. Then with their prayers, with their love, with their happiness, you got benefits in your love life. Passion. You still have the passion for that person. 3 witchy sisters. The power of 3. Now you have to clear away your way, or if you okay, you have to clear your way. If you want to go towards them or you don't want them, then in both conditions you have to clear your way. If you want to leave them, then maybe they hesitate, they will fight with you, then don't leave me, or something, and you have to clear your way to go towards something else. And if you want to go with them, and then you also want to, you have to clear your way from other difficulties. Your parents, your friends, someone are telling you that they are not good for you, they are not with your religion, something like this, or they have someone else in their life. Unrequired love. This is the unrequired love. I think this person or someone don't like the other person. There's I want to pull some more cards for you. I think someone is protecting this relationship, and they want to fulfill their promise. I think this is you who want to fulfill their promise. You had made your mind to do this, to come with them, to go with them, and or they had made their mind to come towards you, and you are isolated and want to leave them, or maybe you had made the decision to go with them, and you are going to cut your friends, your parents, or someone who are restricting you to go towards them. Or when you made your decision mind, then your father or someone going to stop you, they don't go towards them, they are not from our religion, they are not like us or something. And with this Ace of Pentacles, you want to begin something new with them. Justice, yes, you are going to do justice with that person. You are going to begin some new life with attraction, with love, with happiness, and your home life will be happy and good home life, love home life, careful home life. And at the bottom of the deck, you both have Ace of Cups. You both have desires for each other, thoughts for each other. Okay, I think you both are going to be married with each other, or else you both have friendship with each other. Now I want to pull some more cards. Now your first card is your discussion, your conversation with each other at your first date is let this finish over here. Maybe that person is telling you that let this finish over here because they have someone else in their life, they have some duty towards them. Accept it. You are telling them, accept it, I am not leaving you. Or someone is telling them, it's vice versa also. I think you are not leaving them. Do you want me in your life? They are asking you if you want them, if you want them in your life. You are the one for me. You are telling them you are the one for me, and this is impossible. They are telling you this is impossible. I already have someone in my life, and if you want me back, make me happy. They are telling you if you want me back, make me happy, because their heart is broken with that person. They are not happy with that situation. I think something happened. Something is fishy about this. Learn some manners. They are telling you learn some manners. I am telling you that I am not alone over here. I have someone else. Let me go. They are telling you let me go. Do you love me? You are asking them, do you love me? You are not my soulmate. They are telling you are not my soulmate. I have someone else. And with this, what is this? Make compromise. Or if you want to make with them, you have to compromise with them. Maybe you have to compromise with their first person. Their maybe they have wife and they want you to come there in their life. I love you by my heart. You are telling them I love you by my heart. Make some distance from me. They are telling you make some distance from me. Maybe they are having relationship with you, or they are going to have the relationship with you, and they are not telling anybody that they have someone else in their life. They have two persons in their life. Don't do it again. They are telling you don't do it again. This is not good for you. My heart is broken. You are telling them my heart is broken by this. Please take care of yourself. You are telling them please take care of yourself. I want to marry you. Now they are telling you that they want to marry you. This is your soulmate. Yes, definitely the universe are telling you that this is your soulmate. You both are each other's soulmate. Feel me, I am there. They are telling you, feel me, I am there, I am coming towards you definitely, because that last some these 4 or 5 cards, you are going towards each other, you are going to have a relationship with each other. They are coming towards you definitely, but at your first date, they are not agreeing with your approval, with your proposing them. This is the reading for you for my pile number 1. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe, and if you want to know more about your situation, then go and watch my previous videos, or you can also see my upcoming videos. You can also get some help from there. And to see my upcoming videos, you have to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so you can get my all new videos. And with lots of love, lots of good wishes. Bye. I'm going towards the reading number 2. For those who choose the pile number 2 with this blue color ring, your first card is you are slowly making towards them, you're slowly coming towards them, or they had some trouble before, and now they are coming towards you slowly and steadily, or you are having some kind of dreams about them. Okay, now you are juggling about this situation. Maybe you have someone else in your life, or there are 2 proposals, 2 persons, and you have to choose between one of them. Yes, and you have to make it very fast. You are making the decision over here, you are thinking about that situation. 9 of Wands, you are defending yourself, you are defending your love, you are defending something over here. Okay, 8 of Swords, and this card is upside. You are free from some situation. Maybe you are married with someone else in the past, and you married someone in past, and now you are going to free with that person. Yes, you are not anymore chained towards that situation. Queen of Wands, you are making your mind towards the other person which you are talking about, you are asking about, and you are thinking about them. You are going to make your promise with them. You want to give them what you have. You have to share your happiness with them. And this 3 of Swords is upside down, because that other person that have broken your heart, they had left you, and now you are free to go towards that other person. 10 of Pentacles, your home is broken with that previous person, or it is also the possibility that this person is the person that had left you in the past, and now they are once again coming towards you. Okay, then I think this situation needs fastness. It's happening soon. You are having your luck with you. You are lucky in this situation, and the universe is setting something for you. I see the set word over here. I think the universe is setting this wheel towards you, for you, and now you have get your life lover. He and you, or she and you, love each other. This is the lifetime love. This is the true love for you. Okay, give your relationship a chance. Okay, work on your relationship. Yes, definitely I had told you that this person may be from your past life, and they had left you once, and now they are coming towards you, and the universe is telling you, give your relationship a chance. they are now sorry. They know that what had they done, and that is not good for you both. And calling in your soulmate. Your prayers, affirmation and visualization help bring you together. Yes, this is from your prayers, or because of their prayers. Maybe they are praying for you, or you are praying for them, and they are coming back to your life. Okay, this could be the one. You have already met the romantic partner, you see, and this card is upside down. So this is not the person. This could not be the person, the good person for you, because they had left you once, and you had done a lot of work over this situation. You had prayed for them, you had done something over here, a wonderful idea, the aha moment. You had you do a lot of work, and now you are going to reap your fruit. Okay, you are going to have some profit over here. Oh, time for change, to learn something new, to use technology and gadgets with wisdom. Okay, now this is the time that when you are going towards them, you have to be very careful, and talk very carefully, behave with them carefully, and by wisdom, because you know that that person's rights and wrongs. So do as you know what is good and what is right for you. Pink Lotus Fairy, a time for spirits, and I think at that time you are going to leave prayers to going in church, or attending the namaz, something. You are going to let this situation go, or you are leaving the prayers. Mend a broken heart fairy, healing from heartache, and that's why you are not going to heal from the heartache. They are coming towards you, but maybe they are very angry, and or maybe they want the revenge from someone else, and they are getting it from you. They are making you miserable, and they thought they are getting the revenge from that person, and your heart is not going to mend over here, because you had left your prayers. You have left going to church, or attending namaz, something. Fairy of the green bird, the natural bird needs you, definitely. You have to do some charity work. You have to pray a lot for your happiness. You have to go in a park, in a greenery, and save the plants, and whatever this is, animals. You have to be natural bird lover. With this Seven Mermaid, your sensuality is beautiful, but this is upside down. Now you are going to change, because of that. What happened to you, what is happening to you, they are not going to love you, they are fighting with you or something. Now you are going to change, and you are not the person, not the good person inside you. You are thinking something bad inside. Your sensuality is not as good as it is before. Open-minded, you have to be open-minded in this situation. And Procopine, you have to save that relationship. It's up to you. You have to do it. Moth, that person is like moth. They are night creature. They want to leave you. They have a lot of relationships in their life, and they definitely want to make with all of them. They have lots of girlfriends and boyfriends in their life. I want to pull some more cards for you. I think you are manifesting that person. You want the relationship with that person, and you are praying for them. making efforts to have them back, and they are coming towards you. They listen to your cries, or they know that this is good for them and you both, the lovers. But the lover card is upside down. At the first, this is in the right position, and now this card is in upside down position. So at this time they are not happy with you. Rather, they are coming towards you, but they are not happy with you. Nine of Pentacles. But you are having the nice time with them. You have the love for them, and you have desire to come towards them, to reach towards them, and you are protecting that desire. You are very stubborn over here to have them back in your life, and your wishes are coming true. And now you are most mature person. You know when and how cut someone, or say something to others. Maybe this person is you, the more rash word. You are speaking the rash word, and yes, once again you are starting something new with that person. Or maybe someone in past, they love you, but you had left them for that person. Yes, the lovers, the two of, yes. Now you have that person. You are in relationship now, and this is happening very soon. And but someone is not happy here. Maybe this person or someone else, they are thinking about someone else, and they having someone else. They had done a lot of work to control this situation, but yes, now they are coming towards you. They have the love for you, and you have to balance. You both have to balance this situation. You both have to be balanced, your relationship, your thoughts, your emotions over here, because one of you is not in love with other, but they still think of you. They still know that they have the responsibility toward you, or you know that that you have the responsibility towards them, and that's why you are keeping your relationship over here. Now I had pulled some more card for you. I want to show it to you. Okay, the conversation between both of you. If you want me back, make me happy. They are telling you, if you want me back, make me happy. And with this other card, I will never forget you. What? I will never forget you. Yes, you are telling them that you will never forget them. I have someone else. They are telling you they have someone else. Now they have someone else in their life. Okay, it's up to me. But that's why they are not happy with you over here. They are coming towards you. They are having the relationship with you, but they have someone else in their life, or maybe they are thinking about them. They are in love with someone else, and that's why they are not happy with you. It's up to me. You are telling them it's up to me, or maybe this is up to them, that if they come to you or not. Goodbye. They are telling you goodbye. I am here, come and get me. You are telling them, I am here, come and get me. Do you take care of my parents? They are asking you, do you take care of my parents? Because maybe they have old parents and they have to take care of them. Let this finish over here. They are telling you, let this finish over here. You can't do it. You are not the person that can care for their parents. This is impossible. You are telling them, this is impossible. I am not leaving you. I want to marry you. You are telling them, I want to marry you. My heart is broken. They are telling you, my heart is broken due to some circumstances. I don't want you. They are telling you, I don't want you. I need you. You are telling them, I need you. And you are so stubborn, so determined to have them back, that universe will make it for you, and they will come towards you. Okay, this is the reading for you for today. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe, and if you want to know more about this situation or some other situation, then go and watch my previous videos, and you can also watch my upcoming videos to solve some problem. They will surely make you help you. And for that you have to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so you can get all my videos, upcoming videos at time. And with lots of love, with lots of good wishes, bye. We will see each other next time.